Corneria, fourth planet of the Lylat system. The evil Andross turned this once thriving system into a wasteland of near extinction. General Pepper of the Cornerian army was successful in exiling this maniacal scientist to the barren, deserted planet Venom. 5 years later, General Pepper noticed strange activity coming from Venom. James McCloud, Pigma Dangar, and Peppy Hare of the Star Fox team were sent to investigate. Upon their arrival, Pigma betrayed the team, and James and Peppy were captured by Andross. Peppy barely escaped Venom and returned home to tell James' son, Fox, about his father's fate. A few years have passed. Andross has again invaded the Lylat system. General Pepper has turned to a new Star Fox team, headed by Fox McCloud, to save Corneria and free the Lylat system once again.
It's about time you showed up, Fox. You're the only hope for our world.
I'll do my best. Andross won't have his way with me.
Good luck.
Open the wing. Check your G-diffuser system.
Falco here. I'm fine.
This is Peppy. All systems go.
Flippy here. I'm okay.
I see him up ahead. Let's rock and roll. Flippy, get back here! Flippy, watch out! Don't be on your tail!
Whoa! Thanks, Fox. I thought they had me.
We're entering Corneria City now. This is horrible. Everybody stay alert! You've got an enemy on your tail! Use the brakes! I'll take this one. Get the one behind me. Something's wrong with the G-diffuser. Use the boost to take. I guess I should be thankful. Do a barrel roll. Try a somersault!
enemy robot. Dead ahead.
Let's go.
All range mode.
Ah, so this is Star Fox. I'm going to crush you. My Emperor, I failed you.
We're heading out. All aircraft report.